let's try a Big Mac pizza. First, let's flatten out our pizza dough, and then you want to add mayo. I know what you're thinking, trust me, I thought this was crazy too, but it actually works. Top it off with a whole bunch of red onions, pickles, and the secret ingredient that makes it taste like a Big Mac apparently is tuna. Now you can drizzle on some mustard. I know what you're thinking, just wait until it's cooked, because this honestly is as close to a Big Mac on a pizza as you can get. After it's cooked, we're not done yet. We'll slice it up and then top it off with sun-dried tomatoes, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a bit of pink salt. And that's pretty much it. This is the Big Mac pizza. McDonald's definitely needs to add this onto their menu ASAP.
I don't know how that tuna works, but this actually tastes like a Big Mac.
Pretty freaking weird, right? So that albatross of a pizza turns into a Big Mac.
How does that work?
I don't know, there's something in there when you combine all the flavors together.
I don't even taste any fish, like maybe a hint of fish, like maybe at the end, but
at
the very end. That's crazy.